This is my initial mock-up of my push-button start system on my 1969 Camaro. This consists of several modules. First off, I have the push-button module from Advanced Keys. I'm using a CMD-X module to enable the ignition. And I have a small little module here that I built using 3 small relays. The way the relays are used to turn the lights on the ignition switch. For the ignition switch, I'm utilizing a Infiniti Ignition switch. Turn it off right now. You can see that the system is off. If I push the button on my remote that enables the system, then if I push one of the buttons, it turns on accessory. Pushing the button again turns on. If I had the brake all hooked up, if you hold down the brake, it will apply power to the starter module. Hit it again, turns off. When you get out of the vehicle, you push the button, which disables the system.